Yay! I need a towel. Alright, hello school friends, what's up? So, I got my filter working. I had it on backwards. So, and I went and ordered a new filter because I was like, oh my gosh, it's not working. Better order a new one. So, we're gonna unbox my new one, and what I plan on doing is giving it to my friend who needs one. And she's a teacher and she deserves it, and maybe she'll want to try out these pool filter balls that I got. One of my friends who has a pool said that they're amazing. My other friend said don't use those. So I have sand in mine over there. It's working. I turned it off for the video. It's hot out here, so thank goodness. So this is also a Vever. So I got this Vever last year when my Intex pump went down, and it's a 1 horsepower that I have. This one here is a 3/4 horsepower. So my friend has like one of those horse trough pools, so this will be plenty for her pool. So, oh wow. So I love the 1 horsepower. It keeps my 20-foot, 48-inch deep pool in great running condition. So let's look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I can say, you know, with conviction, I'm not gonna show you anything that I don't like. That's just not how I do. So I get offers for stuff all the time and I'm like, eh. But this right here, I would recommend this because of the power. And you know, I've only had mine for 2 years, but you know, it's good. It's great. It has a winter setting too. So it has all your settings, which mine got sunburnt off of mine that I have, so I need to write this down. Here's the, I think this is a 14-inch, I want to say. Let me see. Comes with all of the goodies. If you need a video of how to set this up, watch my video. I'll link it in the description because you get all this stuff and you're like, oh my god. At least I am. I'm like, oh my god. This is the thing that goes down, shows you how much sand to put in there. Ooh, this one has a flexible thing for this part. Mine has a hard one, which I don't like. So okay, and then we've got the stand, so your pump goes here, this thing goes on top of this, and beautiful brand new 3/4 horsepower motor. So this looks just like mine, except it's a little bug. Oh my god, that was a wasp. It's a little less horsepower. So this is 550 watts, and let me go look at what mine is. Ow. Mine's 750 watts, so pretty close. And then it's really not that much smaller. So this would have worked for my pool. And I could keep it to have like an extra, but I think I should give it to my friend, and I think I should video like her setup of her little, you know, horse trough pool, and this is gonna keep that super clean. But again, we live in Louisiana. It's so hot, so sunny, so you really need something that really keeps the water moving. So anyways, that's it. I unboxed this. I'm gonna link this filter in the description box. Helps me out. If you're gonna buy something, click from there, buy it. It doesn't cost you anymore. But like I said, I can stand by this. I can say it's good, it's powerful, it kept my pool clean. And I don't do anything but put chlorine in my pool and run my filter 10 hours a day, you know? And that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's what we want. So I'm gonna surprise her with this, and then I'm gonna video it. So stay tuned, and I'll let you know, let me know if you've used these, what you think of them. Okay, bye.